At this point, I would like to only keep the 12 point and A4 paper options. I still want to retain a document class command in line 1 as is for future reference. Let's go ahead and type in another document class command. I'm just going to copy this command from line 1, paste it, and just remove the 2-column option. Let's see what happens when we execute this. I know we have an error because line 3 is highlighted in red. Also, if I go to my logs and output files, I can see there is a red square with 1 written in it, implying that I have 1 error. Clicking on that, I can now see the error message. It basically says that we have 2 document class and it's not allowed in LaTeX. The document may only declare 1 class. Now, how do I tell LaTeX? The command 1 is there for just a future reference. However, command 3 is our actual document class command. To do that, we can use comments. To indicate a comment, the line should start with the percentage symbol. So whatever comes after the percentage symbol, LaTeX knows that it is comment. Now comments are inactive pieces of code. As you can see, as soon as I put the percentage symbol, the line turned green, which is different from the rest of the commands and the content in our document. If I compile now, I no longer have an error. Executable command in my file is still document class. We have only one document class, therefore no errors. Comments are super useful in such cases where we are trying out different combinations of a command. Alternatively, we can use comments for debugging. You can also improve readability of your LaTeX document by writing some explanation using comments. You can also drop in some notes for you or for your collaborators to comment out a bunch of lines. For instance, I would like to comment out the abstract. Obviously, the first option would be just use the percentage symbol. So I would go to every line, percentage, percentage, percentage. This is okay because I have only 3 lines of code, but even then it was not something that I would want to do regularly, right? So imagine if I have to comment out like say 20 lines of, or even say even 10, I wouldn't want to go to every line and press like percentage, percentage. Alternatively, what you can do is highlight this section that you would want to comment and press Control/. So highlight and then press Control/. If you are on Mac, it would be Command/. The Control/ command shortcut is a toggle. That means if I select a section that's already been commented and I press on Control/, it will uncomment. We know that the line 3 document class is the one that is active because if you look at our output, we are back to where our text spans the entire width of our document. Some of the use cases of comments are we can try out multiple versions of the same command as we have done here. We could also use it for debugging. For instance, if you have an error in say this section where we have multiple commands, we can like comment out abstract, okay, see if the error is coming from make title, or comment out make title and see if the error is coming from the abstract section. Apart from this, we could also improve the readability of a LaTeX document by adding in some comments. Say for instance, we could just write we have 2 authors here. Because this one has so much information going on, I just added a 1-line comment here as to what is happening. Later on, when we write some complex commands, we can use comments to further elaborate as to what is happening. We could also use comments to add some to-do notes. For instance, I can say to-do add section. Now, if I compile, all my comments have no effect on my output PDF.